So, welcome back, and in this video, let's go ahead and take a look at, see how we're going to do this one. Now, this is one of them that I can really start from anywhere that you feel comfortable, so any of these corners, you're more than welcome to start at. Once again, just my preference, I kind of like working in a counterclockwise, and I can see that, most of these kind of work from this location here. So that's where I'm going to choose to start from. But there is nothing wrong in this example in starting from anywhere else. The one thing I want you to take note of is at this angle here. Now, we don't have any kind of angle that's telling us what this is, but we do have two numbers that's going to tell us that. And so we're going to use these two numbers that's going to help me construct this angle. Now remember that when I get to this point, I'm going to go over 8 and then I have to go up. So all of this stuff can be done with just regular ortho. When I come to this location, I need to figure out what is my X and what is my Y value to get here. All right. And the way we're going to do that is by those two numbers that I do have circled. Now remember that, and just to kind of give you a head start on this or a preview of it, this is my X value. And remember that we're going down, and this is going to be my Y value. And it also tells me that my Y value has to be negative since I'm going at this location and I'm going down here. All right, so enough of me talking about it. Let's go ahead and get started on this one. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with the line command. Some things that I'm just going to make sure that are on is that I'm going to make sure my dynamic input is turned on. In this case, I'm going to also use the ortho mode since I don't have any of those common angles in this example. All right, and once again, if you don't remember how to turn this on, I'll just kind of reiterate this one more time for you. Remember, it's with the 3 customization bars, and then we're going to go and make sure that there's a check next to dynamic input, and that's how you turn that icon on. All right, so it's asking me where's my first point. I'll click here. I want to go this direction, and I'll type in the number 8. I'll go up 17.78, and it kind of shoots off my screen. I'm kind of zooming out a little bit. And now I want to get down to this location. So just like I did in the preview of this video, is that I have to type in two numbers, right? So my X coordinate is going to be 22.24, comma, and my Y value is that I have to go down a negative 17.78. And once I hit enter, it should make that angle. Let's go this direction, 7.76. Enter. Make sure you're getting these previews when you're using the ortho, so I'm making sure that it is showing that I'm going up. So I'm aiming in the up direction. I'll type in 30. Kind of pan down a little bit here. Go to the left, a distance of 7.5. Enter. I'm going to go down 17.84. Enter. And now I'm back to that same solution I have to do. I'm going in the left on the x-axis, so that's a negative 22.5, comma, and I need to go up. So I need to go a positive 17.84. Enter. And now that angle is created. This location, I'm going to go to the left, a distance of 8. And I'm using ortho, so I don't have to put in negative values or anything in that direction. All I need to do is point it in the direction that it needs to go. Enter. And since I never broke my command, I can use the close function. If you don't have this or you happen to have broken your command, what you're going to do is click on this square, and then you have to hit the escape button, and that's going to close it. All right, so with this one, it wasn't that difficult. Once again, when you understand the information that you have and how to use it, and that's going to be a common thing through most of the examples and things that you're going to see me do, is that I always kind of look at it and say, okay, what I have and where are my challenges at. A lot of times you will see that if you kind of think about it, you will know what to do, and that's going to help you out with your keystrokes. All right, so if you found any value in this video, go ahead and like, subscribe. I'd like to hear your comments, or if you see me doing something wrong or you want to see me do things, please put it down in the comments. I look at those every day, and let me know, and I will try to do better at it. All right, so I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.